I have a picture here, and it's a picture of a dog, and I want to remove the background and just leave the picture of the dog by itself. So I'm going to use PowerPoint, and this is PowerPoint version 2019. Now PowerPoint has a built-in function to remove backgrounds from pictures. So first of all, click on the picture, and on the top menu click on Format, and on the left side click on Remove Background, and another set of menus shows up. So PowerPoint just detects the background that needs to be removed, and it selects it with this color. So if I click on the white space here, you can see it. There are a few tweaks that I need to do. For instance, this white piece needs to be removed, and the dog's paw need to be fixed. So I want to click back on the picture, click on Format, click on Remove Background, and I want to select Mark Areas to Keep. So I click on that, and it's like a pen icon. So I want to highlight part of the paw that needs to be there. Okay, a little more. And here also. Also the back paw. Okay. Now I also want to remove this white section. So what I'll do, I'll select Mark Areas to Remove, click on that, and just draw that line here. Also this area here, I'll just draw a line. There's some here, a little more here, and here also. Now I want to remove a little bit here on the front paw. So I'll select the picture, click on Format, click on Remove Background, select Mark Areas to Remove, and I'll just do that. So that's better. So that's it, and it has a nice clean white background, and you can just select the dog and just move that picture around. I can also right click and save as a picture, and once it's done, you want to make sure and select Keep Changes. So I'll select Keep Changes, and that's it. Now the changes are saved. I can click File, I can click Save As, or I can just right click and save as picture. And so I thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you.